Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to look at the case of Mary Ann Weber's murder. So it says here that she knew the killer but felt she trusted him enough to get in his car. The police reports say that they found her body dumped in a lake in Sandy Springs. It says there were signs of strangling around her neck. Forensic scientists found traces of propanol in her blood. Before we go on, let's hear a word from our sponsor.
And see you there. Do you hate your in-laws? You want to find a way to show them without telling them? Hi, I'm Wesley Morgan, your local banker over at Old Lost Mountain Banking Incorporation. And we've just partnered up with Spring Sneezers. Spring Sneezers provides a plethora of beautiful flower bouquets to give to a love-hated one with a little surprise. Pollen powder is infused in each and every bouquet you purchase, able to sustain its effectiveness all year long. You're simply just gonna have to find another way to get away with murder if your in-laws aren't allergic. And keep trusting us as your go-to bank. Old Lost Mountain Banking. Easy, breezy, beautiful banking.
Thank you, Old Lost Mountain Banking for sponsoring this video. It's almost 5 a.m. I should really get some sleep.